Morning, it's Thursday. We had the minutes out of the Fed meeting yesterday. The markets took that quite well. Before I go into that, I've just got Bitcoin up here. I just wanted to show you what an odd situation we have with Bitcoin at the moment. Just trading sideways for such a long time. The volatility in these cryptocurrencies has really died. Might be a good thing if crypto is actually going to be a serious currency where people can actually invest and hold their money and use it. Maybe that's exactly what needs to happen. But you can see that that Bitcoin holding beautifully just below the fib level there. Same with the same with Ethereum. To me it all looks pretty negative. You know, I've been a bear of this for a long time. Ethereum actually holding below the 100-week moving average now. Gold dipped to the buy level, the 1845, 1840 buy level. We're holding on to it. We're retesting it now. We did bounce off it. We're retesting it now. So this absolutely has to hold today. Otherwise, we're going to resume that the bear trend, which has been triggered by the double top. Longer term, I am bearish of gold. I just figured that we could have a little bit of a correction this week, which we did. I fancy it a little bit higher. I'm hoping to sell up around 1885, 1895. Silver, however, is really not managing to push higher. I thought yesterday we could. I thought we could follow gold, but as you can see, we just turned around and pretty much wiped out Tuesday's gains. Stock markets heading higher. I've been waiting for this all week. It clearly had to be the Fed that triggered the move higher. So we're there. We got to my target of 4,000 or very close to it, 39.98. So pretty much on the 4,000 target. Now we've got resistance at 40, 30, 40, 50. If we get that far, the NASDAQ, I said that we'd probably go sideways. I wasn't really looking for a recovery there, hoping that we might get something, but it never looked as strong as the S&P or the Dow Jones. And so we really are only trading sideways there. Not a massive surprise. I think that will probably be the case. Unless we get a massive spike up in the S&P and the Dow Jones, then I think then the NASDAQ will continue to trade sideways and then break down eventually. Dow Jones doing well, heading up towards our resistance level. So we'll see how that goes. I think I've got it in at, where is it now? I've got it over there, 32,200, 32,400. So we actually did hit that and have retraced already. So clearly that level is working. What else can I tell you? Euro pushing higher again as hoped. Not quite as strong as I perhaps thought. We did back away yesterday before the Fed minutes. I really do think that the dollar index is due for a fall. I haven't had a look at this today. Yeah, there we go. So we did manage a bit of a recovery yesterday, as I suggested might be the case, but I still think there is moves to the downside ahead of us. 101.30, 101.20 is the likely target. So we can drop a few pips, which would push the euro up a few pips, and then we can continue with the longer term trends. Okay, that's it. Kind of working out in a quiet week the way I expected. Join me again tomorrow and we'll have another chat before the markets open.